Hi guys, this is Hamza from ImagineArt. Over the last few videos, we've been going through each of the video generation modes on the recently launched Kling Studio. In this video, we're going to talk about the reference image to video mode. So let's get started. So what I have over here is an image of my character that I want to place in an entirely different scenario, and I'll show you how. I'm going to drag this image down here to the reference to video generation mode. You'll see how the image gets added on the left hand side in my reference images, and the image gets tagged in the prompt box as well. Now I'm going to prompt this character in image 1 wearing a Marvel style exoskeleton suit in the middle of a battle in New York. I'm going to change the duration to 10 seconds and click on generate. You see how it's used my text prompt to place my character in an exoskeleton suit in a Marvel style battle in the middle of New York. Yes, I'm thinking about Avengers. The next use case that I'm going to talk about is I'm going to have this image, two characters, right? This is what a composite is like. So flat white background with multiple characters, and I've composited them together and placed them in the same image, right? Now I'm going to use the reference image to video generation node to create an entirely new scene with them, right? So with the image tag in the prompt box, I'm going to write dynamic action sequence between the characters in image 1, and we're going to click on generate. And there we have our results. You can see how it's created an entirely different scenario with just an image of my two characters together. You can see the camera movement, the fighting sequence, and the motion in itself is pretty decent as well. For our last use case, I'm going to use this image of a logo that I have. It's a simple typographic logo, and I'm going to place this in another sequence, in another entirely different place, similar to what we've done in the past with our other generations, but in an entirely new setting, right? So with this logo added over here, it's tagged in the image. I'm going to write place the logo in the image on a glass bottle of matcha in a dynamic product video. And I'm going to click on generate. And there we have the results. My simple typographic logo over a white background, seamlessly integrated over my product, just based on a simple text prompt. And the results, they're pretty decent. 3 different use cases for reference image to video. One thing to remember here is that reference image to video makes use of compositing, which is essentially what I've been making use of and explaining to you over the course of this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about reference video to video, which essentially is motion transfer. So watch out for the next one. Thank you for watching.